What is up, guys? Chef Q here, and today we are cooking up another Vietnamese corn dish. And I hope you guys are not tired of corn yet, because I've been eating a lot of corn making these corn dishes. So this video is part of a collection of recipe that uses corn in Vietnamese dishes. This came to be because someone told me that there's no corn in Vietnamese dishes. But you can hear about that story from a video up there. It's a dramatic video, so you should watch that first before this. Anyways, today's dish is xôi bắp, and it's xôi bắp mặn, the dry version, or xôi bắp mặn khô, because there's a couple version of this, and this is not the sweet dessert version. This is the salty version, because I'm pretty salty about this corn business. So today I'm using hominy, which is a form of corn. So basically it is corn, but they soak it in lye or something. Well, there's a way for them to turn corn into hominy. Of course, in Vietnam, they use a different type of corn. But today I am using hominy just to show you the different types of corn that we use in different Vietnamese dishes. Xôi bắp translate to English as corn sticky rice, or is it sticky rice corn? Either way, it's basically sticky rice with corn. Let's get cooking, all right? So first off, you want to soak your sticky rice for at least 3 to 4 hours. I soak mine overnight in cold water, then wash and strained. You would need to do the same with the peeled mung beans. So after soaking the mung bean overnight and straining them, we are going to steam the mung beans. Mix in 1 teaspoon of salt for every 4 cups of mung beans. Then steam for about 10 to 15 minutes. This should be ready when easily smushed with your fingers. Remove them and put them in a large bowl. Using a large spoon or spatula, you can smash them like mashed potatoes. Set aside for later use. Next, strain out the cans of hominy. And in a separate boiling pot, add 1 teaspoon of salt. Blanch these hominy for about 3 to 4 minutes. Strain and wash with cold water. Let dry. Next, mix the hominy and your sticky rice. Add in 1 to 2 teaspoons of salt. Then mix evenly. In your steamer pot, add in a few pandan leaves to the water. Then add the corn and hominy mixture for steaming. Make sure to spread them out evenly. Cover and steam for about 15 minutes. During this time, we can prepare the other toppings. Fry up thinly sliced shallots. This takes about 15 minutes. Strain the shallots and spread the shallots on a few sheets of paper towel and let cool. Scoop aside about 1 cup of the shallot oil. Using the leftover shallot oil in the pan, fry up the green onions. After 15 minutes of steaming, use the shallot oil that we set aside and drizzle over the sticky rice. Using a chopsticks and spoon, fluff up the sticky rice, making sure that the oil mixture is evenly covered. Make sure the steaming water is not dried up. Add more water if necessary. Put back and steam for another 10 minutes. Alright, we are all done. Now it's just a matter of putting everything together. So we got the xôi bắp, which is the sticky rice corn, and we got the mung bean to put on. We got the green onion oil sauce we put on, and of course the shallot. Now, if you really want to eat this as a dessert, you can sprinkle on sugar, tons of sugar. But me, I'm salty. I'm really salty about this, so I'm eating it as it is. There's also a version with the coconut, a shredded coconut meat on top too, but that is optional. Of course, this you can enjoy it with a grilled chicken or whatever. Just basically is seasoned rice. So I'm going to search the house to see what I can put on top of it to make it more appetizing. All right, let's put it together. Okay, let's taste this. I'm going to use a spoon. That way I can get all the flavor in one bite. The mung beans in. We got the rice, we got the corn, the green onion oil, the shallots, and the pork shred, the dried pork shred. Okay, let's take the bite. The chewy texture is perfect from the sticky rice, and this corn, it has that puffy, chewy texture. Also, you know, for this dish, you can actually use the sweet corn, the yellow corn. But for me, using the fresh corn, there's too much juice in that corn, which gives the soy too much moisture. That's why I don't like using the sweet corn. But this is perfect. Again, if you want to make this a dessert, sprinkle lots of sugar on top. I didn't want to over season this because once you eat this, you can add like soy sauce or even fish sauce if you want to make it to your liking. But the aroma of the shallots and the green onions and the mung bean texture just combines with this just perfectly. This makes for like a perfect breakfast. That's what they eat like in Vietnam. Usually they sell this really early in the morning for all the people that are going to work. So that's all for this video, guys. And make sure to check out that video of why I am making this corn recipe marathon. Anyways, catch you next time. Peace.